Do you know how will artificial intelligence transform industries and businesses across the globe? What are the potential benefits and challenges of integrating AI into everyday life? Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, poised to redefine the world as we know it. With its ability to mimic human intelligence and learn from vast amounts of data, AI is revolutionizing industries and shaping our daily lives. In today's we will explore top 10 ways artificial intelligence future will change the world. Watch this video till end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get straight into the video. Number 10. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants powered by AI, like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, have transformed how we engage with technology. These intelligent digital helpers perform tasks, answer questions, and offer personalized recommendations through voice commands. As AI progresses, virtual assistants will become more advanced, understanding context, emotions, and preferences for natural and tailored interactions. They'll boost productivity, simplify daily tasks, and enhance accessibility for people with disabilities. With ongoing development, virtual assistants will become indispensable companions, seamlessly integrating into our homes, workplaces, and mobile devices. Number 9. Living in a sustainable way. Artificial intelligence holds immense potential in addressing the pressing challenge of sustainability. AI-powered solutions can transform industries and enable sustainable practices by optimizing energy, reducing waste, and monitoring the environment. Through data analysis and pattern recognition, AI algorithms can optimize energy consumption, lower carbon emissions, and promote renewable energy sources. AI also contributes to smarter urban planning, efficient transportation systems, and improved agriculture. By using machine learning and predictive analytics, AI helps make informed decisions that prioritize long-term sustainability and minimize our impact on the planet. Number 8. Cybersecurity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, artificial intelligence, AI, is a crucial tool in combating cybercrime. AI-powered cybersecurity systems analyze large amounts of data, identify anomalies, and detect potential threats in real time. Machine learning algorithms continuously adapt to evolving attack patterns, improving defense mechanisms. AI enhances threat detection, response, and mitigation, protecting sensitive data and systems. However, ethical use, responsible deployment, and human oversight are essential to prevent misuse of AI by malicious actors. Striking a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and ensuring security measures is key in effective cybersecurity. Number 7. Medical care. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by leveraging vast patient data to improve medical care globally. AI algorithms analyze records, diagnostic images, and genetic information to deliver accurate and personalized diagnosis. Machine learning predicts patient outcomes, enabling early disease detection and tailored treatment plans. Robotic systems powered by AI enhance surgical precision and reduce risks. AI streamlines administrative tasks, optimizes workflows, and improves patient monitoring and care coordination. With fast data processing and hidden insights, healthcare providers deliver efficient, cost-effective, and patient-centered care using AI. Number 6. E-learning. AI is revolutionizing education by offering personalized learning experiences and e-learning platforms. AI-powered tools adapt to individual students, providing customized content and adaptive learning paths. Machine learning analyzes student performance data to identify knowledge gaps and recommend targeted resources. AI chatbots and virtual tutors offer real-time support, enhancing engagement. Automated grading and feedback free up educators' time for personalized interactions. AI-powered e-learning makes education accessible, scalable, and tailored to learners' preferences, promoting lifelong learning and educational equity. It opens doors to skill development and new opportunities for learners worldwide. Number 5. Automated manufacturing. The integration of artificial intelligence in manufacturing revolutionizes the industry, boosting efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. AI-driven automation handles repetitive tasks with precision and speed, while machine learning optimizes processes, predicts equipment failures, and enables predictive maintenance. AI-powered robots and cobots enhance safety and augment human capabilities. Smart supply chain management leveraging AI optimizes inventory and logistics. By embracing AI in automated manufacturing, companies achieve higher production volumes, improved product quality, and faster time to market, driving competitiveness and innovation in the industry. This transformation propels the industry towards greater success, efficiency, and technological advancement. Number 4. Effective marketing. AI is reshaping marketing by leveraging vast customer data to create targeted strategies. AI-powered tools analyze demographics, preferences, and online behavior to generate valuable insights. Marketers can personalize campaigns, delivering the right message to the right audience. AI algorithms optimize advertising, identifying effective channels and automating ad placement. Chatbots and virtual assistants enhance customer interactions with personalized recommendations and support. AI in marketing improves engagement, conversion rates, and revenue growth. Businesses leverage AI to create effective and tailored marketing strategies that drive success in the dynamic digital landscape. Number 3. Interaction through virtual reality. Artificial intelligence is playing a transformative role in enhancing the interaction and immersion of virtual reality (VR) experiences. By leveraging AI algorithms, VR systems can adapt and respond to user input, creating more realistic and dynamic virtual environments. AI-powered computer vision technology enables gesture recognition, allowing users to interact with the virtual world using natural movements. AI can also enhance object recognition, enabling realistic and interactive virtual objects. Additionally, AI algorithms can analyze user behavior and preferences, providing personalized recommendations and content within VR experiences. With AI-powered interaction, virtual reality becomes more immersive, engaging, and tailored to individual users, opening up new possibilities in gaming, training, simulations, and entertainment. Number 2. High-tech robotics. AI-driven high-tech robotics are revolutionizing industries by enabling robots to perform complex tasks with precision and intelligence. These robots navigate dynamic environments, recognize objects, and make autonomous decisions. Machine learning algorithms enable continuous learning and improvement, from healthcare to manufacturing, space exploration to disaster response. AI-powered robots increase productivity, enhance safety, and automate a wide range of tasks. Surgical robots assist in delicate procedures, while autonomous drones conduct inspections. High-tech robotics driven by AI are transforming the way we work and live, paving the way for a future of advanced automation and intelligent machines. Number 1. Business deep learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, revolutionizes businesses by enabling advanced data analysis and forecasting. AI systems utilizing deep learning algorithms process complex data, uncovering valuable insights and patterns. Accurate predictions and forecasts aid in optimizing operations, anticipating market trends, and making informed decisions. Deep learning finds application in sales forecasting, demand planning, fraud detection, and customer behavior analysis. Harnessing the power of deep learning, businesses gain a competitive edge, improve efficiency, and drive innovation in their industries. That's all for this video. We hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. How do you envision AI shaping our world in the coming years? Let us know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching our video.